exactly 7 a.m. Everybody sing hallelujah. A symphonic music, and I would say hallelujah to begin your day. What's the Adom 106.3 FM? Dwaso Nsem dear. I was young, me bacho, tie way, mammy, Messemoa. I am used to Gimpa Road, Hono, at night, you know. Or the Yentie way, Nafi Yanchi Hong Kong.
Just happened this evening on the Gimpa stretch. Trust me, it's real. You guys should avoid the Gimpa stretch late nights. They tried to rob me, but I was smart. I had to continue driving. I sped off, and then that is what they threw. Can you imagine? Thinking I was going to stop. I think they were even trying to use it on my head because I saw them real quick, and then I balanced to the other side before they threw the stone. It's real. It's real. Guys, you need to avoid the Gimpa stretch at night. You need to avoid the Gimpa stretch at night. This just happened to me just for you. So bad. So bad. So please avoid the Gimpa stretch at night, please. I was lucky, so I was able to escape, but it could happen to anyone.
Right, I'm Shanti. Obi experience and was sharing on Facebook and I share. The gentleman, I was lucky. I managed to escape, you know, or treat him, saying avoid the Gimpa Road at night. But away a real experience. I'll be near over Facebook. Obe who a bona. In fact, I some the way on my pike and a glass of part thinking, see a youngest uncle Bijina near Robino. Good one, enya experience. Our Gimpa Road so. And I think, say, a calling for some attention. Every the Ghana Police Service night patrol team, you know, your best way say I'm focus our Gimpa a chiro kakra mayen. Na nkrofobia decide as they say ho no mo be di bone. Members make asabe boy. May activate phone lines na shortly. Ebia nya brantie ipe. Ebia obi so experience a obetumi ni share about this particular road. Gimpa echi won efi Fiesta traffic light. Ekwa fa Gimpa echi Efemwa Westlands echiwa kopiem Botanical Garden. Eho ena sa boni ekoso ewo. O experience I want to share 0302 216 561 and 0302 216 562. We more mania experience Gimpa Road and also to be specific. We focus in general and in Bacho general experience will be attacking or another road maybe another time but yenya specific na Ghana Police Service yemfa disredia kese yemfa to my name say Gimpa Road ho and Crawford di boni Gimpa Road ho and your best night patrol team no mama money enko ho mama menka ho manaso. Hello, good morning.
Good morning, Asampa.
Yes, boss.
We am James News Thinkers.
E ba jo mentio.
Asampa media me ye juma wo ta kwan so ankasa.
Oh, okay.
Me mpon tem. Na me ka kira tie phone nyina se. Na na phone bi ya so din. Oni se tere bia me kwa na ya me di mutu kwa na man ka bi ka so mo se. O ti so mu a Asampa no an se o blas ni phone si a. O mo e mo left ni so o mutika ni so no. Wa we are nya ko fom. Na ni phone da na so. Only the way of a passenger also here.
Yeah.
And from 6:30 to 7:31. That's a because motor phone patrol or boys and I was see room. Every day be at Samba. Me say, no to come, madam, who are you? On the phone.
Wow.
Who are you on the phone? Name point him. Now to come to whom near my cost or what. As I know, didn't get separate for Momina from 6:37 8. That time no go slow up in Canada.
Mate. Abusia mesme da se bebre why me da se pass on here chair 0302 216 561. Hello, good morning.
Good morning.
Yes, sir.
But
Isaac Asafi. Yo. Yentio.
But you bad driver.
Okay.
Now, I would question it and I'm able. But I mean, no, I'm the that I see behind the car. I say, can you do one now? You slow down. But I'm sure I can't be any share say basically me who be from say that stop for be I na final call hospital my wife. They say me go down and say no, this is the day. I'm here to wait.
Wow.
I shall come off. Na me say me come back and the only me can tell me do no say me come back because the top me screen bam.
Hey.
Hey. Wala me tia so me ndina kuna already na you can't both issue driver's license is WhatsApp.
Yeah.
They the card information there to sit that. They are very careful. I was happening.
Right. 11 and Ajuang.
11 and
Asamo. I was here made us a pass out so I share experience. Hello, good morning.
Hello, good morning, Asempa.
Yes, madam.
Pacho Efemi Ofua.
But
me a student of Gempa.
Wow, Efua, Mamintio.
Pacho me some experience ne say. Your campus no, your cultural exams into no, your point around 9:30 10. In a me far Gempa Atomic Junction Road ne so.
Okay.
Na me hu obi a why no ho se bodan for original road ne middle. But me do like ne for ne me hu se okrate kan. Inti no mi tia accelerator ne so. Inti a wapen na o free e kwan ni mo hu se nya dia metina no. E no free kwan ni eti enchen. Inti no iya ye use road no. Se bia hu se obi gina ho. Sa se bia o mutimi jan se o kita gallon e bia o se ne fuel so pe car e dia kwa kotobi. U gina ya pe no ma attack o. Inti best say aban na ni police for baby bia fa ho amayen.
But if we are missing that Sibebre, why? If we are Gempa student, Asamo. Hello, good morning.
good morning.
Yes, boss.
Efemi Wati.
Yo, what's in Kasafini?
Oh, I'm
Me Pachose.
me driver be. And you know you have to focus for now. And you may have one and you know that you are slow. You not go through. Men money that the madam you know the young. After measure na bag this ne stress. That's it. To bag no preocupé affinity ne force na te on bag na ko. Le as some na wo parent na no bra wo fit pa o ko no. Enya sam semestre na mo fa mo to lead down and ni na bag is e bia no fit up.
Too bad. Hello, good morning. 0302 216 562 and 0302 216 561. But you joining ya Kasafa Gimpa Road no ho dodo na nya horrible experience acha say enko ye kra ya attack omo giomo nioma ye bobo ebi mo hwehwe just to scare you said be ya obejina no matimi arobe. Hello, good morning.
Good morning.
Yes sir.
Yeah. About Medina Rory Second. Now, quite in the past. Now, let's go once. Now, me ban a far a Achimota on seven banana so from Ellie. In the XCAM to card team. Also, what the I'm going to be my nana neighbor. It is a mark. Tell me more panels for that. In the end, I'm right. So, most of us will shape.
Me bachomate me da sibebre why me da sipa. Hello, good morning.
Good morning.
Yes boss.
Your name me a driver. Name for body. Also for the hotel will be your side for not living.
Okay.
But boots map ne the nefa Gimpa Road.
Okay.
You are going boy in the kitchen say road we also a man is saying boots for my in this road. Yeah, I mean, the time you have to quite need me found just in the punching. Me, I mean, let's say, boy, the 3D or my bomb car. I said, you be me doing.
Wow.
You sound can you, boy, now not in the I'm a boy, Mrs. Adam, me too. Yes, I got for Uncle Jenica. Or no need boys known for pizza. The ban is not coming to exchange crime. Now, Miss many boys now, the minimum of town, Yabia, me, and I can't. Bakusu free. I saw like it, and one of the Kakoshi and Lani. And yes, I boy in the car, they are room. Rather than I get in the car.
Hey, Asamo. Wow. And Crawford experience, so I was yammed. I say, why? Hello, good morning.
Good morning,
Eja.
Hello.
Yes, boss.
Yeah, family, then. Yeah, taxi driver.
Me bacho mamintio.
Yeah, whiskey. Yeah, your friend is me, taxi driver, Dana. Last, madam, be my people, your friend is saying, don't be Pilatu. It's me, but I'm so me, Faho. Master, all of us are the me, bam, hey, Jina. I'm saying, about this time, we're not the Asaka,
Jim FM.
By this time, one day, Jina, me be sharp boy, suit, back 50 side. One more, no, for me, can you say, fine. I'm saying, no, because we're the Omayako for. And you are one pop. That's a new baby. We are making Johnny, Johnny free water.
Wow.
You find us there as you the police for now.
I was young about the walking a heifer potting.
Game Park Road City, Game Park School now, ever fast. When my children might be the seat, Dolu Johnson, also.
Yeah.
How would you know? Who's our back? Confubi, Edria, Flower,
May I know who are
how would you know? Happy.
I have some more. Abusia made us say, why? Made us say, made us say, pa. Hello, good morning.
Good morning.
Yes, boss. Me bacho say.
Jim FM.
Me bacho yentio. Wa homa ne munda o kakra nti ugina ye mamia.
Okay.
Aha, baby a ugina ye.
Yo, maybe obi am that. Na me care more that Jim Paulo.
Wow.
Na woman be back if you so and a boy is shoe bag. Na so na so ya ni bit in care more woman next to hunya no see no binika di boys next. Ultimately one. Na your here or the blocks. Oh boy, in house from one man, not bag in my woman. Maybe old Jano, he was one fancy. It decided to Kusuka. The one man won't go back to Kabu, the boy, but grassy crying. Say, Ubi somebody in a tongue, flowers, no more moon, basket, no one. I don't know when you're Petua.
Mate, Abusia made us be what's your name? A very last caller. Asamo. And to not just say Gimpa Road, Gimpa a tree or a quino, the apostle, our 1 year. Yet, your experience, your bomber see a cross over to the Ghana Police Service. Ebia no Monte, Ebia no Munim, and to your bomb mamma near and no pay near share and a moa on B2 at their phone. What journey a high Adom 106.3 FM, Dwaso Nsem and Chanapos, you had a bro. But at Timothy School, a more board actual crata mo patro say court ruling nearby in fact nyadia omotiasie so anase o man dwen ho enti no dia we die lawyers ne so mo ko back no mo ko appeal the decision of the court. Number some kind of quickly whilst you're connected to the Ghana Police Service Yakasafa Gimpa Road no ho. Now, Board of Governors, Achimota School, PO Box, AH11, Achimota, Accra, Ghana, and our crest in with our motto. Reaction of Achimota School Governing Board to High Court ruling on the admission of Rastafarian students. As the governing board of Achimota School was represented in court yesterday, 31st May 2021, and has learned of the outcome of the case brought against it by two persons who had earlier applied to be admitted to the school. The court ruled that the religious rights of the two applicants had been violated by the school management as they sought to enforce the time-tested and well-known rules of the school. The court further directed the school to admit the two applicants. The school board disagrees with the ruling of the court. The school board has therefore directed its lawyers to appeal against the ruling. Chairman of the board signed Achimota School. Chairman of the board, Mbacho Edimbi and Shasia, and one say chairman of the board. Into why na board chairman Achimota School. Asemo. Yabebo modina for Yansaka, some of the board members near Matching Common. Why the decision to appeal against the case in the cry? And Yanyantia said there have been some interventions. But still, Achimota School said they won't back down. Omobeko court. Anyway, whilst I hear train say yes, I become the Ghana Police Service now. You know, Matching Common for Gimpa Road, no. Shana Samami say, yes, sorry, I no pay, said the TBR. We'll see it to me now one day for fro. Ya dear Juma so you been now one day for fro, dear ya, me patron, Milo. It's your Milo, the energy for drink of future champions who hear Milo to give you that energy. Will bet me the year Juma Uncolani, a more Milo, a more movie, dear me a day, more my dream will be. With Milo, every child is a champion. Milo, the energy for drink of future champions. Ya bepa man, as America catcher will say, Yana, waka crash stories be say, ba, say. Obi ebe wone ba na before for catch and say wo ba we musio ba nti koja na kwan no wanya sa akokudro na akotutu fom nya sa akwala na wu wasie na amonamo no akata ne so na wati wo wi a wabeda dem say ampa musio ba no medwa ne kwan. Anyway, assemwe menim say carry anachoba se wamokra kan ho asema na Kofi J latest update at say but Kofi for the benefit of omo omontie da. This is the first time our multi story no e wo Dwaso Nsem Jumadi and the kind bonnet of mama e si when dey na course abusian bacho bra Facebook se si a na be hwe the course be bi omo si akola no bra Facebook na be hwe the awofo no nya kokudura mna na omo tu ye no be ga se omo tubula asemo Kofi Aje
Azamba
me bacho edika bonnet of mama asem we si when dey na course
ni nyina si wo be man brakwa no was kuma or the ben brakwa and thinking mountain one see na ni nyina say mama even mama ka or ni kun apon Paul Adoba na mo na omo ba ne ba omo wonu no ana omo chese akwara 2 years ni akwara ni ntimi nante ontimi enyefe yanka enyen say akwara de ye wona acha Africa ko any fano na wa start tutu na do start area na o na gben say obetimi na 22 years de na ne nante mu a ekwa mu a na wasi no enti na twa say nipa no timi start nante na fe obeye se de enyen say nipa ne ade a na ma me twa say akwara ntimi nante Doma ya enyi inteno no mudle koma sof mami bi omko sof mami a ya fan aman cancer when you're 64 years that's what doing the Christ First Word Church na international ogomoshem na ko sampatam wa oze sunsun sole ne ene man de amam fatiti bebre omo obi oso ho maka no no atina sole once genyan sunsun sole de ye bebre na batise no mo bebre na mo atia do bo o sunsun sole bi mu na se onu sun ya dompe no no so akwate ne de enti onu ne de akwate ye no ana even Christ First Word Church international no the international account the international de kan we ana onko na so ba me jaje akwala no mum de anya de abutumi anante e san se wo hwe huhu no akwala no honhom ba na se kan nsu baby nta ayi de ultimate nante nta se omuja no kwan yeta obaya de soa e de asoa omu abusua no ene awofo nta omu yoba jise na sabi ade ma mena kan ti ma mena che omu no omu nya nyina nta mpa so ba fie no ana najo be do me no e de ko ana ma me to fa me che sa time no ana me ti na ja kwala no ko na so o hu ba sa time de na hu no to ababa bepe nti ana ajisa ana azampam ko tutu ya omusa amamfo sha de shi niema ni kakra nti ho ana ko tutu ho no mo a omusi akwala na ene mu no nti omusi ene opani ba kwa efe no Abubakar Mohammed na ono te se baba na che se o te se anajuno kasa bi eko nsu no
alo ko viaje
Adamba
me bacha ho me soma me kakra na Abubakar Mohammed o kase na ni tua mo bi ne nsa ka no ahoma no so na afei ancheche mu Abubakar what me nka me mo achen
se mbocho me to kapa
yo mo bacha bi bia bokwa no pay
oh ya menti bibia boko wonse
mo bacha ye krem nti asama ke bacha ba di na enyim fa ho
yo I'm say that no ya wada back to clock ni mo de ko no me da na me ti de obi tutu me to kiriwo no kwa mama mo sorry me tram abana mpanado nti mo na me ti say obi so ye wo kiriwo ti de kwa mama kumpi mama sorry me ka gina ntokwa nnachi ti bi je ntokwa nnachi na mu hunde de ba ma ba ko otutu fam ho pa de sekan no de fam ho na mami nu wo so gina ho ti o ko na ni mu no na makumatu nko na modem wonti makumatu nti ba ma no o ye wie nu otutu am wie nu na ba ma no ofiwo ono obe enyima no ka mami nu wo akiriwo nti ni mu na me pie ipi na meba bebe man nche zimeba na sana ya mifiwa udana medem onagasa nuwa ono na ore saade no wodana kiriwo zimeba na mbisa nde mebla ko jona isiye na so nne 3 days oba hade olbaye amande bi nti oba ni wa matu mopi nti oboto afiye nna ne ono so menyu nya na ewa nti oba na obobo mamane na mmom anka amande prekuna orbo abaye nemisa nene de amande ne sei le bana baye no so obaye na amande bi nemisa de amande no so na fa ba ko na la nyaza obaye yimpe na bofa no o process do nyaza abfa obaye yimpe nemisa na fa no wewu no ono ache se afro no wi ne o to do wo so akofo sofu bi de omra na o madan no nemisa no madan no de ndo pani ay sa no na afi di muslu na mesa meti mko de mo na mapande mko mkadai timada mtumina di men wo za na mesa mo sorry na mbenya mbenya na mi no wahan mbenya no na mbisande babra opani mi fiwa na sen wa ba no sin yo na 3 days oba ha de oba ba na mandi bi na mum wanchira mandi prekuna oba ye namsa nokwa anadui wa ba ya mandi bi be 12 to 1 ni mun tamta me man ko sameda musuru nti amandi bi oba ye mo ha no nokwa be gido wa menta se mu hunda ko la bi bon o ba ko no bu
ya
na chama wo ko no so me hunde abofo no kam nti sana tiza ono fana napa ya fanka dan police nta di tinya na pano neja ya de kore to ma police ma fana o ye wo ko pano nta oba no na ka so chere baby a oba ye na mande no ne police ja indu oba obotu no na nipa na ship
aya samo nti wo tui no ya friend na no shim
na bo friend no o ship
ba wo tui na afra no wewu ono ze
na afra no wewu
mabacho na afra no o she badim ana wode no to o keke no ka anwa no gu ne do
abofra no kama wo yi no wo yi no ayimbiri nti ayi no shemu no wo mo ehu ntade tin no na police o fi eskuma wo ba wo ba hwe nti wo ba hwe no na wodi ofana dua wodi no amrenu ma no hu se ntumagubi wode ntumagubi no wode chire abofra no na what need to the principal na we into mano na o mo de kwai
Mabacho afraid I can no answer me we zan
police say boy na say was be 2 years
after 2 years and why you them after no nanto
according to papa no say abofra no yarepo was in suba was in suba
Abubakar Mabacho me yenda wase ai the ehun so na etimo call police for ko bon na manze
yo
that's it papa
yo masu
right Govia J
Agamba
enti papa ne ma me no mo police for nsem
sesi ameno kasa de no ni ma me ni nyina no Paula Doba ana na yire mama ma ta nyina no ade a omo wo sikumo do be police for nsem ana anyame ncha de anodwi ya no ana police for me ya nche so ma me a aman kansan a wono na da first word faith church anu ya cheno ama jono so o ma hand over ade ama asikumo do be mbakwa na information tete post for church ade a na nanom hemfo opinion leaders bi a wa djuma ko ana mo che maame nje maame ko gwa to a empanimfo ana empanimfo no so de maame na kasa ade aba ama prophetess we are prophetess ama nkanka wonye 64 years wonye video so 9 first Christ World Church no kasa ya cheno ewo esia ogogomwa owasikuma do be mbakwa police for nsem adamba.
Right, not just but we be the police for na amasha charges on the born no me boy.
Yeah, according to DSP upon our customer man police station my men or police for normal in you is or police for normal in you na said the beya between about say ya body din say no and a share go fukutupa amom ko dis aboni e ti no e ka say police for interrogating to see the police for say we born there and then no china go DSP report say we born there and no china ya no omo do mbeka awale for no do akopie mo court
Govia J ma yenda wase why be brace what me ama yen chechemu yeda se pa yeda se nyame ene hene ebusia for asemo arehosem yesi abeta se obi ene neire omatimi asie akola omo wo no because prophetess be a patron say akola we die ensuo ba ntino enya de a woso omo ne tena omo nja na kwan Kofia J asomdwen kan why yeah that's it ebusia for 28 minutes after 7 but in a related development am say your copy person wa adwa the story I can want some ya updates be one of the papers publisher. Okay, the new publisher today. The
new publisher do kwata fire it also at 9 or say court remands dad who buried son alive.
Oh, okay.
Next papa no let me go to am na no come so we try the picture.
I'm so big I'm so Mohammed no yeah
na opanyini yidin Paul Adoba you don't know about him and say oko free 30th but the first one them were reported say 31st August 2021 na yire no ane sofuba no se we krofa so sofu omo de tete say de omo tupia fajan ya mpani for home baby a won hu won it is a latest development no but I was say akoda no nemu no Our Lady of Grace Hospital mortuary here no what Bremai Sikuma yeah open a crab brand because it looks like Sanema we no usually a see by na say si krom kumani
yeah
it takes journalists be to say Kofia
J no timi akoyaba
again no such information about I remember some time back there was this woman first who go with my album
yeah
now baby the band de Vera it's a kwano about 13 years
okay
but we are from say so baby about a doctor for dia or a special child
be can you buy no extra saying
I don't know what was us book and say cerebral palsy.
Okay, I'm only from Nsio
Sana Crawford, say woman so because free no is show mutrim. Na sister na can sembi. Was me bay na kwanda was me bay me wona na ho fe. E ho fe. Onyi no odane. Na obi ka kire me o so yesu me nkoja no. Ana ma nkoja na say ono 12 years. Okas on kasa no kwado timi nante. Na sam kran so hu mo to no ma na ntupa ne redi ekita wo mo no.
Wow.
Na say boy be the trend or sa or the fu or sa no akoto some guy be in the video trend power social media sa for the biasem na make you get to say who baby sa no I would advise send church ne nkwa bonten mpenifo mian church ni mo enka ne no na owo akra na sebi wodi dem kra na itimi ka se kotoro kire ne ade ba ne no ebebo mpenifo abaso sa school for the blind and a deaf and dumb for nyina school aba ama se wo ba kwa na sebi wonti ase asemo a ultimately the kokani nua no mo it's a complete environment on feeling odd
sa
would be finding go school be as get it no kwadi asa akwada wo akra no ntimi fane to ntrase no obo twene no was no kwata classroom wa ha no fane ko musical school o ko hia sa ne nwom to no bo so be fit perfectly
asemo
it's about and you say ya but yes obe wo ba obia susu senka wo a acha afide na akra na nante sabi anya bia betimi na ko school de kai bi na eja wonso atimi akwa adwuma because Ghana has obi ani adaje
asamo
afuom kra na wo kwa nye de bia na betimi do ba se akira kwa afuom ti akoye mfie mienu mfie miensa mfie nan no onante won tenants won kasa ya eya homete na so hunu se de Nyankopon de ma wo no
asamo
de nyame ade ma wo no you get it obia na ne mantle e wa brabom ebi de sabi mpredua sawade fon obi de chese won wodua ne ba ma di wo kodwom ono na ba ko ma ye bibia so still be ma ne fa na every what obi be preso aduma papa wonya bi nye mesi wiase aye we obu ono ma ka akora wo hu bi da no wu
asamo
mo this modern Ghana obi hu ka da no wu obi fu plane da no wu obi nchi ka da no wu saso obi wo da no wu obi nware da ye nyina ye destiny ne nyepe ebi na mpema
ebi so
nyama na broso imagine santa bu anam kwa na hebe bia omo essentials kai ebi a uchese o roll glass down wotimi hwa sa na wora ho hwa ka bia wodam ene wo hwa ya sabia do wakọ ebi timi tu kwa free Ghana kwa mana ne ko horo ma wudie mu keke
asamo
obi kra ko mi etimi de ba ne to ne yam no da fa ko 8 months na say but you drew kwa ho a obi de nsia bi bɔ na chi bi bɔ ne kɔ ho ebi kura nam ka ho srade ono kronye scan to aduane man kwada ne ni so nyame de ache no eti Nyankopɔn che ye wo de no e ba ne se na sabi umo bi dada wo sa akora na nyamfie mienu onantinti no ye nkoja no ukoja ne sen
asamo
no debi ukoja na mahwan ukoja na to he that means the bottom line is muko ku akora no right and even if the child was given to you spiritually.
Sir.
It is awful so be jana jana humu. Sabi impredia sa won't amana and fa kodal tum and ka and young so in fact are they really parents? Omoya bad idea. Same ba akoda wa wonu. What there be na anya bia no me hu dia men campo. Now what to me atutu amana. Eja ye be di Father's Day o
na debut
tu amana na dia ya resa sa amada ya ye ka ye di Mother's Day be hwe ene kente ye twifom ogina sore dem ene ya ba tan nyina da e me be kom no e me ko pani
no adwa enti no se papa no na eni abadaye ena otutu fom sa akola ye mfa ne shanti maami awo akola ne bowo bono wa wo kwa wo so akola ne bowo bono wo so wugina amana ne ho hwese ye ntutu na akola ne ye mfa ne ntum
na papa na je no na shim aka no yagudu sa kofi akoda because obi atufu se kojano there you the kojano no o jana say how like o jana mahwan
there binti prophetess no ka asem no nti owie ya ade ne ho kan wura no meba o sa ade ne efie rade a
na sa maame na mu ko
eye den na ade ho kan wura
on say kwasi sometimes ya na me blaming crophobia kwaji afutu from ho. Sometimes I don't blame them. Even though one other hawako, and on we're too full. But for you to implement self to know the amount lies with you.
But you only pay.
You get my point. My boy was a question. Say na yeme.
Yeah.
What to me for adwa. If you know you say what can. But me ask me be dan na me kire ho a. Me tibua no. At least my conscience should tell me something.
Yeah.
And yes will be kan ya na wo ye.
Okay.
And tipo o say ye di gidia asem krofo bi mu ma. You know, me sofo na aka. Eh me sofo ma me na aka.
When you can the one no full stop.
Me sofo say na we wo dwane. Who be a Johnny?
Asamo.
No, and this is so sunny man is who. And these things are really happening in Krokuman.
Oh, I see.
I see. Yes, it's on your senior pine.
I see.
Ghana for you be on. You move woody a cheer. Imagine me for the mammy call by ye. And then the pair trying one share in I own your she. The Yamedia Mauno. Cremusa. Every crowd will become because and Cromwell as a cerebral palsy no. Who school ha. Young Fancotum. Now one toe.
Yeah.
And so community now a woman no.
Mokrana Charlie.
And then you suba anti wahu. And make us a one hour jana as a coffee quad and you and Obeji will be kunu. We all have issues. And she jai near home Crawford dear. Yes, sense. I don't know who will be now will be the pressure. He sees nothing wrong with it. I see nothing wrong with it either.
Well, tune for Bonnie.
You get my point.
Our year not to they are Bonnie. Meanwhile, or not in India, or not in India, but the only but on your bed two before. Say, whoa, and I will quite Tiana won't do for Cranwa. What you some what's here? So what you watch here somewhere? You be in the same vicinity. Woman, I will two. I want a third born. I can a Maya friend. Yeah. And a second born free. And a car first. And a third. And I bear 2 years. Was our third next, which would have been the fourth. The fourth, okay.
I want fourth born and a third now. Since no,
I bear second, on a free.
And a car first and fourth. And who feed born and a fourth no. A film.
That's all will be at your dear name, the film.
Hey, now, mammy, the young guy or mammy, because the first one, your friend of Eddie or Mena, your friend of Mena, mammy. Oh, Kumasi, a chum. And I could feel this woman's pain.
I'm on for crowd the baby better.
Now me chum no me mammy busa will be say, oh, now what ya mena, na day. When I do a tefakuna, what tefakuna, Fibia was yoba. Now, and I was so shocked.
I'm Canada, pa. I'm the Canadian, the moon, I'm the carton.
And finally, I'm not paying on over 40, 13, no control BC. On any father, I'm true. No, a buying school. Yeah. Also, we have the belief says, no, private. But I could try BC while buying school. Okay. Yeah, not normally great, no, to me, and ya baby. Now, quite soon, my dear. None of father child while buying school or so no. I can't 1 year to the final year, they made number. I know, baby, while buying school. Omo kokroma koto awana omo kokroma koto school uniform me so na pale me who message on my phone so papa na say I lost my daughter and I'm say how the daughter no minute is gone I'm say Jesus Christ omo na tire kwa ho akwa de da from bim okoto uniform ama ne ba say so obi o ma wunu mo ba ka ba ko pe and see this woman and this man going through this na society
just and some uncle for better form of
society.
So many are yet the team and so much obeko and then
it's about time I unite as Brabon obian in destiny. Obibe num enum ni nyina benyini abesi omo maame aye edihia omo maame. Obibe num obetime sie ne manum ni nyina ansa no onu awu.
Eno nkyese oye bayfo yemfanka ho. Eno nkyesa.
Obian in destiny.
Obian in destiny.
Obian said na brabotie. Obian wari mi enseja ne fourth marriage na ye papa.
Sanity.
Obian so at the fourth one hu yanko na first one.
Oh yeah.
It's me when I meet those motivational speakers, apart from the fact say obetumi for say adwo akokọ wanim ne beye yie no. Say obeka kire me say ena me yewe amoa me ntime nye no. Onya wona abekire me de.
Of course, I mean.
I mean wo abrabo.
Na bia me kase.
Na wo kai say wo ye, na bia na bibi so senten a wo nka kire.
Na bia me kase adwo aya na counseling no mo de maye na wo ko ware counseling.
Oh na say
ya wo experience a wo fa mu no na wo de counseling. Esono me so me experience. And you know, yes, a serve as a guide. Exactly. So you understand.
So if you tell me say say ocha
not just we be saying
na adwuma no nam kwa so be fie na HR afre no asako adwuma no acha automatically so maame say na no ne kunu che
enti no ogobo adwamai enti ne ye kan ya hwewutrim enti aware na wo kɔ no kra na hwewutrim say ne kunu chepe buei na just bibi koso
yesi aware de kokofuo oh ye kwate so enti so okɔ na hwe no kokko na katia si so antem na no afa ba na afa ba bi atena. You get my point. It is society no say wo musuban. This is why I agree with some people when we say fix yourself. This is for once a honest half part in there.
Yeah.
Because me can on say no na me kontoko bi on Facebook and aka chem say me nya akon. Imagine. You get my point. See ya fix your home. Obi a concentrate on the juma wo ye. Obi a concentrate on the income eba.
Yeah.
No be a manager said was spending the sika. Now obi a Bob Brown said there was what born will make sure say oh better our life. You wouldn't be having all these things happening. Me a family home by
as well.
None about our cerebral palsy. Empire na meba mano. Ade sede na mesere rade say o mano ye kodro honhom. Ebia me kora no a enka be buro me so. But you need people around you. But that time no you obi so asede so be ka tell say na wa wunum unja wo on the akofa aba. And wa
Ajo yembo ne tofa ne enko pepese so ba yenka nche atiefo say in every situation a wonnam mu no eye dan a obi be ka bibia kire wo. But eya fatoto abrabo ho eso nipa na abrabo na so wo de fatoto ho na hwese futu a nipa edi amami ebeboa me ana ansana wo de tu ana mo awan hwe na akodi akire de obi abeka bia na odi akire later no omo akra na betwa omo ho asere wo ajo ato asema me name of mention is say Vodafone good morning offer no egoso a Vodafone say good morning Ghana fo nyina e say ye chamo 500 megabyte data free. Vodafone to Vodafone calls there will be yes and a Vodafone asia chew 5 minutes talk time from Vodafone to any other network. Abusia we just one Ghana cedi per. One Ghana cedi per. And one is a dial 543 and now say star 543 hash. Now I think with them are connected to Vodafone. Good morning Ghana. And she said Kakra home. Puma drink, a whole new vibe. Puma drink. Drink papa in fact Puma drink ekoye more de Puma drink and one now here sabre na wo call lunch no odidi wie ya no Puma drink ope apple a obenya flavor be na ope ni nyina ebi wo ho Puma drink 1 cedi 50 pesos to 4 efa no 13 cedis per pack and almost am for 54 ho 15 cedis per pack Puma drink another quality product akasa prakodia ba on friend number we 0262 351-251. Adwa Bobby Suni and sorry so.
And Guatano Abba. And Republic Press.
Yeah.
Was it DSP Azugu? National Security SWAT team under investigation after brutal raid of 2 casinos in Asankrigwa. Sa story and why bosso. Said National Security for penny for bit muko Asanko Casino Game Center B. Omokoche China for nsia and omogigi atuo ene a control board excavator control board ene ne mebe no mususu se ye wi akade ahodo api na posi sahene odumunyafo James opombo no papa no pa mechia onyankopon hia papa say bo mo frase omo investigation because video na ba bonten no said na say Rambo Star nsem bi wo mu no e to mo ye nsem ni mu enhwehwe mu na na dan kwaku fo don so de nsem atugya wo chese sensentre ni yade na bi entwa yie na so mo frɛ no tia ne na so na so mo yeso mo tene no a ya man sentre for ne adwene nye yese obi infringe upon our press freedom as a go free say press freedom nti sabi mpre so de me a asa so obey microphone nti
na to work card
but obi and draw attention if you could do my sometimes if you go overboard
me
send you message ana wo kon de aya tenatene wo twa sanim te na chiachia
sanatia
bi ni aya na wonum ehwe na wo we
adwa me na se shatawale
shata
matwa fatu baby na fe yanko yanim ya wie why
ana Sir John
yan sorry so
penny for this Sir John atompam wano pay
Adwa nyame ne here.
So my memenda kwavin.
Ai, nyame fa ne crazy.
Ene ukuo otene yawo. Efiada memenda ne akoda nyame ase.
Mati adwa ebusia yenko CBG na fe yenko be Flex Plus account, a hybrid account serving the purpose of current and savings. CBG obi omo Flex Plus account na benefits ahodo na ena wunya competitive interest earning account. Yen charge monthly maintenance fee. Digital banking obetumi aye checkbook on sabeka ATMs obetumi a withdraw wom sa na face so this particular one no 4 withdrawals per month and obenya 4 withdrawals per month. Enjoy that high interest on your deposit. CBG we stand with you. Obetumi afra 0302 216 000. Latest from your partner for life. Latest from Nkonya de yedem yantrem cause Nkonya erade nothing onya 1-seater 2-seaters 3-seater L-shaped sofa. Latest form your partner for life ediaba hotel for offices monto jumaku and if monto if only you need that comfort, durability, quality and our face so perfect finishing idea as a when and so catch Milo, the energy food drink of future champions. And a pebia was sorry, all you need to breakfast your day. Milo. Mamodin no Milo and San where 50 where do officer. Mamodin Suma Norman to Milo Embryo. Quick break, back Adom Sports page 1.
Hello.
Yo, Nancy saying.
Tell me, Miss Rowe, me here once is here.
That's him.
I send Bisabio.
Meet you.
Yamamusan.